How will your relationship with your attorney be changed by AI? This is huge. Your relationship with your attorney is going to dramatically change by AI over the next few years. Here's how. First off, you have the opportunity to use AI prior to working with an attorney. You can explain your scenario and ask, what legal concepts relate to this? What questions should I ask of my attorney? So you can open up ChatGPT and tell ChatGPT what's happened and say, what are the legal doctrines related to this? What are the legal concepts? What are the questions I should ask an attorney to figure out if the attorney has appropriate experience in this area? What are normal next steps in dealing with this? That way you can empower yourself with knowledge before meeting with an attorney. Next, attorneys are going to start using AI to gather information from clients relevant to a particular scenario. So for example, a client might say, hey, I have a problem with my tenant. I'm a landlord, I have a tenant with an issue, the tenant's not paying. Well, AI might identify for the lawyer what questions should be asked of the prospective client to identify what are the issues here, what are the problems, what are the relevant areas to discuss, and gather that information so the attorney can efficiently help the client. So essentially you have AI on both sides helping with that. Many people debate whether AI will actually replace attorneys, and I think it's understood that at a minimum, AI will become a powerful tool for attorneys to help clients. And attorneys who are just winging it without the support of one of the most valuable tools available today will be disadvantaged when compared to attorneys who are leveraging AI to become more efficient, to become more comprehensive and careful and attentive to detail, and to improve the relationship that the attorney has with their clients. So as a business owner, I'd encourage you to use AI even prior to talking with your attorney to help equip you to make the most out of a meeting with an attorney. And then second, and by the way, I'm talking about a new attorney. If you have an established relationship with an attorney who already knows you and your business, it's probably more efficient to just go straight to that attorney. But if you're thinking about hiring an attorney for something new, you have a lot to learn. What kind of attorney should you contact? What subject matter and knowledge should that attorney have experience with? What questions should you ask your attorney to vet them? What information should you provide your attorney in order to help the attorney do the best work for you? So I'm really excited. I see AI as like when the plow was invented and farmers could stop using hoes to rotate the dirt and turn over the ground. All of a sudden they could hook up a plow behind an ox or a horse, and they could leverage the power of the animal in order to overturn more ground. And then we had a big transformation to tractors. And all of a sudden tractors could do far more than animals could. Likewise, we have a huge transformation happening right now in technology. There is a new tool for professionals. Will it replace those professionals? You know, it's too far down into the future for me to speculate on that. But what I do know is for the next decade, the people and the professionals who utilize AI will have significant advantages because that tool provides efficiency and strength that was not previously available. If you would like more information about any of these topics today, if you are interested in a business owner and getting educated on common mistakes business owners make and how to avoid them yourself, you can go to aaronhall.com/free and sign up to get a number of videos and other resources to help equip you prevent problems in your business. This is for entrepreneurs, startups, business owners, CEOs. Generally, I'm thinking about companies with under 500 employees, even as few as 1 or 2. Because for you as a business owner, or a future business owner. You can either prevent these problems or pay the much more expensive cost of having the problem and having to clean it up afterwards. The purpose of this YouTube channel is to help you avoid problems, grow your company, provide a great value to your customers and clients, create a great environment for the people that you work with, and experience the success that comes from having a good company built on best practices. I'm Aaron Hall, an attorney for business owners and entrepreneurs. If you have questions about any of this, feel free to put them in the comments section below. Look forward to seeing you next time.